Shit, how am I gonna start this? It's bullshit, man. I'm doing a quick setup review. Right, here's the setup. Don't mind the K-pop background. Don't mind the K-pop wallpaper. Alright, why am I fucking stuttering? This is a family computer. There's only one computer, so let's get to the setup right now. I'm gonna shut up. So here's Buffalo Mouse. Got this from like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Works fine. And old one, which I'm gonna show you right now. BRB. Here's like this $5 mouse. This $5 mouse is actually like really terrible. I used to smack this when I rage. The scroll wheel, the rubber is broken. It gets damaged, and it doesn't scroll that well. It just every time you scroll down, it just goes up. Right, so oh shit, this setup video is actually really terrible. I know these are hitting 7 subs. Here's 4-year-old keyboard. Don't mind the charger. I'm using my mom's phone right shut. That's the 4-year-old keyboard still does the job. 4-year-old LG monitor, which still does the job. Logitech headphones does the job pretty well. Here's the gaming PC. It's a Ryzen Mini. We got this at December 2018. Really cool, and makes the whole family look like it's an epic game, and the family thinks the computer will break, even though it's a fucking gaming PC. Fan for Microsoft webcam HD 3000. That shit is literally worth 3,000 yen. The headphones, webcam, and mouse is Japanese technology. So yeah. So basically, this is a terrible setup review. Notebook for all my classes. Shit, I gotta go now. Bye.